بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، وصلى الله وسلم بارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. اللهم لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا وزدنا علما يا رب العالمين. اللهم ارزقنا الإخلاص في الأقوال والأعمال. اللهم اجعل أملنا في رضاك آمين يا رب العالمين. قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد: قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون. فقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala said in the Quran, are those who know and those who do not know, are they equal? And likewise Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that seeking knowledge is an obligatory duty upon every Muslim man and woman. Imam Ahmad used to say, العلم لا يعدله شيء لمن صحت نيته. That nothing equals knowledge for the one whose intention is pure, correct. قالوا وكيف تصيح نيته؟ فقال ينوي أن يرفع الجهل عن نفسه وعن غيره. It was asked, people asked him that how is it that how can we rectify and make our niyyah correct, our intention correct? So he said, by intending to remove ignorance from our own self and then from others. This is how you can rectify the niyyah and correct the intention. So the Shara'i knowledge is the best thing which one can uh, learn in this dunya, because it guarantees success of this life as well as the hereafter. This is a very good opportunity that Murtaqaa Academy, Murtaqaa Institute from Kuwait, which is run under the supervision of Dr. Mutlaq al-Jasir, Hafizahullah, who is a professor at the Sharia University, Kuwait. Uh, he has been running this program for the last 3 years. Alhamdulillah, I am studying in the third year of batch 1 with the specialization in Hanbali fiqh and its usul. And it's a very beneficial program, and I highly recommend that you all should enroll in this program. I'm giving some information about the program. Students have questions about this program. In order for the queries to be addressed, I thought of recording this small informational video about the program, about the courses studied there, and how I can help you with. My name is Junaid Ansari. I am basically a mechanical engineer and an energy auditor, but now I have completely involved myself in the Islamic studies, in learning and teaching. Uh, Alhamdulillah. So this is Mahad Murtaqa Lil Ulum al-Shar'iyya. They are announcing the opening of the batch 3 year 1 admissions. The admissions opened on 26th of December 2023. And this institute is, as I said, run under the supervision of Dr. Mutlaq Jasir, Hafizahullah. He's from Kuwait. The registration, as I said, that began on 26th of December. Last date for registration in the first year batch 3 is 8th of January 2024. Little over 10 days are still there. And the studies will begin on the 1st of January 2024. What are the subjects which are taught in first year? Actually, the names of the books were in Arabic, but I tried to translate it into English. Otherwise, better one should refer to the names of the books in Arabic. The first book is Adab Daris wal Mudarris, the manners of students of knowledge and the teachers. This is a program, a small, a muhadara, small lecture. Uh, there's only one lecture on it, and there you need 3 days to complete it. So this is the whole table and the timetable how the course will proceed, and how you have to complete these courses, how many days you need to complete these courses, and how many exams you have to give, what is the date of exam. All of these things are mentioned in this now this page, which includes the number of books studied and all other information related to the subject. So you can call it as a timetable. There are 13 books which are to be studied in first year. Three of them, which are in red color, they are optional. These three books are optional. The first one is the Tafsir Juz Amma, the 30th juz of the Quran, which will be done in the month of Ramadan. So it is kind of a holiday. The institute will take a break in the month of Ramadan. There won't be any studies except for the tafasir, which the Sheikh will release, like one lecture every day. So for these 30 days, for approximately, the whole Juz Amma, Tafsir Juz Amma will be completed. It is optional, and if somebody doesn't do it, it will not be counted towards the academic scoring. But other than these, the 10 books, they are compulsory. They have to be studied, and the exam should be passed. So the first book is Adabud Daris. So he is the subject. Who is the teacher? Dr. Mutlaq Jasir will teach these books up to here. When the program starts, when this particular book is to be studied, this is the date, beginning date, number of days required to complete this book, 3 days, and only one lecture is there. There is no exam for this particular book. And the date of exam is, though there is no exam, but I don't know why they mentioned it there. But since they mentioned, I also mentioned. Second book is Salathatu al-Usul, which is a basic primer in Aqidah. This is the beginning date. Number of days you need to complete this subject is 8. There are only 4 lectures, so you have to complete one lecture in 2 days. There is only one exam for this course, and the date of exam is 11th of January 2024. Then the next one is Al-Arba'in of Imam Nawawi, rahimahullah. The studies will begin on 17/1/2024. There are 15 days you need to complete this book, and there are 10 lectures in 40 hadiths, and there is only one exam, the date of exam. Likewise for all these books. Fiqhul Ibadah, this is from the book Bidayatul Abid wa Kifayatul Zahid, which is a Hanbali fiqh book, and there are 20 lectures. These 20 lectures have to be completed in 30 days. There are 2 exams. First exam will be after 10 lectures from 1 to 10, and the next exam will be for lectures 11 to 20, and these are the dates of these exams. The first exam on 18 February, the second on the 4th of March. Then this is a optional course, tafsir, in the month of Ramadan. So it is kind of a vacation and holidays for you. After that, this is a concise seerah, mukhtasar as-seerah. Uh, the date it will, the dawra of which when this will begin is 30th of April. There are 10 lectures which have to be completed in 15 days. There is only one exam for this, the date of exam. And likewise, you can see this is Al-Waraqat, which is an Usulul Fiqh of Imam Al-Juwayni rahimahullah. This is an optional one, Muhadara as-Imam. Then Qawlus Sadid, fi Sharh Kitab al-Tawheed. This is another book. Then Tazkira fi Ulum al-Hadith, on the sciences of Hadith, Ulum al-Hadith, Usulul Hadith. This is another book. Then you have a poem on legal maxims, Qawaid al-Fiqhiyya by Imam al-Sa'di, rahimahullah, who is the Sheikh of Ibn Usaymin, rahimahullah. Then you have a poem on Ajurumiyya, which is Arabic grammar, Nazm al-Ajurumiyya. It will be taught by Sheikh Salah Bojali. And then you have last book, Akhlaq al-Ulama by Imam al-Ajurri, rahimahullah, which will be taught by Dr. Mutlaq Jasir, hafizahullah. And it is also an optional one. If you don't study it, it will not affect your academic scores, inshallah. So this gives you the subjects which are taught in the first year. What are the program highlights? The certificates will be issued from the institute after completion of academic year. Every year when you will pass the academic session, you get a certificate of completion for that particular year from Murtaqaa Institute. When you complete all the 3 years, you get a general certificate of the Sharia course. For all 3 years, a general certificate you will get from Murtaqaa Academy, as well as, if I am not wrong, you will also get a certificate. This certificate will be accredited by the Sharia University of Kuwait, if I am not wrong. Though this needs to be confirmed, because when I joined, this is what the Sheikh said. that the final certificate which you will get after completion of the 3 years, this certificate which will be issued from Murtaqaa Institute, it will be accredited by the Sharia University of Kuwait. Then you will also get ijaza in the books which you will study. All those books in which Sheikh Mutlaq Jasir Hafizahullah has ijaza, he will issue ijaza with a complete chain of narration back to the authors of these books. He will issue it to you. Then you will also get transcripts, tafriq, in Arabic language for all the lectures, almost all the lectures, all the books which are taught, you will get transcripts and those tafriq for all the subjects which you can, but these are in Arabic. The study mechanism, it involves listening to the lessons and taking scheduled exams within limited time frames on the platform. So you have to listen as I showed you the this timetable. One has to adhere to that timetable and complete the syllabus and the courses accordingly. So you will have to access your learning management portal system with your login ID and password, which you will get after registration in the Dora. Using that, you have to log into your own profile page, and from there you have to like keep on watching the lectures. Though these lectures are in Arabic, but you have to watch them. I have made a separate video about how to register and how to access the learning management system of the institute. This is a 3 year study in the institute, full 3 year study, year 1, year 2, year 3, like from January to December. You will be given individual login. Using that, you can log into the learning management system for of the institute. You will have the question solving sessions with the teachers at regular intervals. If you have any doubt with the course, you have to send the questions using a Google form, which will be provided to you on your learning management system page. And from there, you can enter your questions, and the Sheikh then will finalize a day for a particular subject and course, and then he will come over Zoom and he will answer all those questions related to the subject. This course is free to study in Arabic language. Absolutely free. You need not to pay even a single rupee for it. If you know Arabic, go register and study in Arabic. But if you don't know Arabic, then I am coming up with Urdu explanation of this course at a very nominal fee, the details of which are about to come. In order to pass uh, every course, you need to score more than 60% marks. And the questions are only MCQ, multiple choice questions. Uh, and it is not very difficult. You can easily clear it. And I'll be helping you with the Urdu explanation, plus I will also be helping you with solving the quizzes. I'll explain you the questions, I'll explain you the options, and then you will have to select the options on your own. Definitely, I'll also be explaining you the books in Urdu first. So first we'll go through the Urdu explanation of the books, and using that explanation, and then using the translation of the quizzes which I'll be giving you live with you, you can solve those quizzes inshallah without any problem. Now registration details, how to register in the Dawra. This is the QR code from the Sheikh. You can simply scan it and it will directly take you to the registration form, or you can also click here, register in the Dawra, and you can see there is a link there, academy.murtaqaa.com/register. So you go there and you can fill that form. That form is in Arabic, but I have made a separate video on how to fill that form, which I'll also share in the video description, inshallah. How to register, this is what it is. This is the video which I am talking about. Either you scan it and directly go to this video, or you can also click here and you can go to the video. I'll share the link in the video description also. What is the fee for Urdu explanation? Because it demands considerable time from me. I will have to spend at least uh, half an hour to 1 hour every day with you, approximately. I'm not saying exactly, but sometimes less and sometimes more. So there is a nominal fee for Urdu explanation because I am putting in my time and efforts. So there is a fee. The fees is INR 1500 per month for Indian students, and United States dollars 35 per month for international students. How to pay it? Those details are coming. So 1500 is nothing and very less. This is very less. It is nothing. Earlier it was, I thought of 2500, but then I reduced it further to 1500 only. How to pay the fee? Scan this QR code, or you can also click here and it will directly take you to the a payment page wherein you fill your details, and all the information regarding how to pay, where to pay is available there. After you fill the form and you make the payment and you submit the form, you will get an email. In that email, you will have a link of a WhatsApp group which is specific for the students who are enrolling here for the Urdu explanation. You can join that WhatsApp group. All the details will then be shared in the WhatsApp group. Before filling this form, if you have any queries, you have any questions, you can directly contact me either by scanning this QR code. It will directly take you to my like DM. You can directly direct message me using by scanning this. So I believe this is what I wanted to explain. In case if you have any queries, as I said, you can always scan this QR code on the right side, the WhatsApp QR code, and you will directly be able to send questions and queries to me, and I would be more than pleased to answer your queries. I encourage you to enroll into this program. It is a very good opportunity. If you miss it this time, then it will not be available until the end of next year. And who knows, are we going to be alive or not during this 1 year? So spend your life studying, learning, teaching, and making yourself better every day. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم.